In front of me is Nokia 2.3 and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So at first just open the camera app, then let's move to video mode, tap on the more icon and now select video resolution right here. And as you can see, you can change it for both front and back camera, so pick the camera that you would like to change the resolution to and then select the option that you would like to apply. So for example, if you would like to change quality to HD, just mark it and it has been changed. And this is how you can change video resolution in Nokia 2.3. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.